Bishop, I've heard you about coffee. And the coffee story is a difficult story. You know, hapo beleni in the 70s, in the 80s, when I was here as a DO in 1990, 89, 1991, and huyu mwalimu pia, he was very happy when I came back now to Kianyaga as the district officer. He was so proud. And I remember his children were in Mount Kenya Academy. So every Friday, I didn't have a car. So, mimi niko hapa na Land Rover yangu, ilikuwa Land Rover ile 109, natoa moshi nini kushida mingi. Huyu mwalimu on Friday, he used to go and pick his children, so he would give me a lift, alikuwa na Puju 404. Tunaenda naye mpaka Nyeri, where my young family was in Nyeri. My wife was working with the cooperative bank. Ananiwacha Nyeri, anachukua watoto, anakuja nyumbani. Then on Sunday, anawarudisha, anapitia nyumbani, ananichukua, ananirudisha Kianyaga. So our history is a long one and a good one. And Mama Judith and your children, you know I'm there for you. And when Dombi Mwalimu passed on, is when I had taken 7 days away for prayers and fasting, meditation, and reflection in the heart of Mount Kenya Forest. No phone, nothing. And nobody could disturb me. I had given clear instructions because I wanted to reflect and meditate about the state of our nation and the welfare of the people of this region. But when Jomo, the contractor, found land that Dobe had died, he looked for my wife, Pastor Dorcas, and Pastor Dorcas, knowing my relationship with Mwalimu, sent word that I'd be interrupted from my prayers and meditation to be informed of his death. And I instructed him to come here, and I talked to Mom on phone. Sit down, Jomo. I want to say that we have lost a great man, a great patriot, a great Kenyan. Na sisi hatuwezi uliza Mungu maswali. Tumekubali. We thank God for the years and for his role in this country. Senator Karafa, I want to thank you. You are a true friend to Mwalimu. Anytime Mwalimu came to see me, he always tagged you along. Mpaka nikauliza, you know Karafa was not with us. Alikuwa pande ile. Sasa nikasema, huyu Mwalimu mbona analeta hii mtu ya Azimio kwangu? So Mwalimu akasema, hii mtu hata kama ni Azimio ni rafiki ya? So I want to thank you for very true friendship. I always, when I saw you, I knew you were somewhere around. When I saw him, I knew you were somewhere around. Thank you very much for great friendship. It's good to have a friend and somebody you can rely on. And of course, why we don't have a problem with Karava, why we don't have a problem with Wakangara or anybody else, it's because I'm not a stupid leader. I am not very clever, but I'm not stupid. I made a decision as a senior most leader in this region to unite everybody, irrespective of where you voted. And that is a unity of purpose for this region. I, Rigathi Gachagua, will never fight my brother or my sister. We have learned our lessons of division. Other regions are not fighting. People want this region to fight. Ndio tupotee hapo katikati. But why I'm happy today is that the ordinary person from Mount Kenya is united. Lakini tangu zamani, this region of ours has a history of traitors and betrayals. Kuma hede ya mudhogo kwari tukunia, na ngati na komerera na kuda gutume kuma hede ya muthungu no munyaka bishop ni atiriri hari kuda gutume 10 ukoragwo na andu milioni 1 matangitikira gukunyanira nyumba itu koguo ri tukunia no tukunia na gutiri hindi tukona uthamaki tondu wira tu ni kuda gutume twehaciragia tu horo wa nda ciacio taru turaria horo wa igai wa mbeca tukauga andu ni maheo mbeca na wingi wao ni turahitia mundu wothe urabinga horo ucio ni gakunia kari gakunia na tukunia no gutu aturaga nginya hindi ya muthungu twekira gwa ikunia riu andu makarora ini hara makihituka kona mau tondu gatirenda kamenye kana gageko muthungu akamenya ucio ni mau akario mumenyerere muno andu a nyumba itu tutikae kugayukana na ni ngwenda kumuririkania mathina maria twanona